What's up, down? Hello guys, welcome to our channel, welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with WhatsApp right now because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with WhatsApp. To fix this problem, you should try to restart your phone. If it still doesn't work, you should try to uninstall the app and then reinstall it again. You could clear the cache and clear the data from settings from your phone's settings. But after that, if it still doesn't work, you don't have to worry about it, because as I said at the beginning of the video, you are not the only one who has this problem. I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with WhatsApp right now, and they will fix this as soon as possible. If you do have issues with WhatsApp, you can comment in the comment section down below. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.